Up to crush next is a V911 helicopter, radio controlled. Here's the transmitter. I'm going to fire it up. There it is, crashed already. We're going to really crash it here shortly. See if I can crush it while it's running. V911 helicopter is getting pretty flat. We're up to 30 tons and still climbing. I don't think it's going to go down any farther. Let's see what it looks like. Well, I think it's done with its flying days. Should be able to fly through small cracks though. It's pretty narrow. It's a V911 radio controlled helicopter. Now it's flat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. And if you can think of anything you want crushed, leave me a little comment in the video. Thanks.